Introducing the product of the period, designed to reward our loyal Zija members. With service, value, and loyalty in mind, we created a promotion that provides a highly discounted Zija product each period to those who place a 75 plus PV purchase in the preceding period. In addition to the low cost and high PV of the product of the period, we hope to give Zija members an opportunity to better experience Zija's wide array of cutting-edge beneficial products. During period 129, you can purchase Core Moringa Prime, normally $70.50 PV, now just $50.50 PV, a savings of over 25%. Core Moringa Prime is formulated to support normal cardiovascular performance and longevity. It does so by providing key ingredients that help relax blood vessels to aid normal blood flow, and therefore reduce your heart's workload. The result is that nutrients and oxygen are delivered throughout the body more efficiently, helping you be your best, healthy self. We're excited for you to experience this carefully formulated product. For full details on this or other Zija promotions, visit zijainternational.com.